Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a Java program to calculate the Fibonacci series up to n numbers. Let's start. Open Visual Studio Code, click on the left side, create a new folder, Fibonacci Series. Good. Inside this folder, let's create a new Java class, Fibonacci Series.java. Good. Inside this folder, let's type public class Fibonacci Series, and then the main method public static void main, of course string args. Good. In Fibonacci series, the next number is the sum of previous two numbers. For example, let's start with 0 and 1. So the third number will be the sum of 1 and 0, so 2. And the next number of this Fibonacci series will be the sum of these two previous numbers. In this case, 2 and 1, 3. And then 5, and then 8, and then 13. So 13, 8 plus 5, 8, 5 plus 3, 3, 2 plus 1. So we need to write a Java program to calculate the Fibonacci series up to n number. So I'm going to add 3 variables. So int, let's say up to, and I'm going to put like 30. And then I need to store the value of the two previous number. So prev number 1 int prev number 2. Prev number 1, I will assign the value 0 because the Fibonacci series starts with 0, and prev number 2, of course, 1. Good. Now we can write a while loop. The condition of this while will be prev number 1 less equal than up to, because we want to calculate the Fibonacci series up to this number. So we can calculate the Fibonacci series until we reach this number. Let's create the variable to represent the next number. In this case, the sum of the two previous numbers. So sum equal prev number 1 plus prev number 2. And then we need to assign to prev number 1 the value prev number 2. And also assign the value of the sum to prev number 2. Let's imagine prev number 1 is 3 and prev number 2 is 5. So first the third argument will be the sum of 3 and 5. So sum prev 1 plus prev 2, okay. But then because we need to calculate in the next iteration 13, we need to assign prev number 1 the value of prev number 2. So in prev number 1 we'll assign 5, and in prev number 2 we'll assign 8 sum. In this case we can iterate until we reach up to, in this case 30. Let's print this Fibonacci series. So system.out.print, and then I'm going to print prev number 1, and then a little space here. Good. Let's put also another system.out.println Fibonacci series up to, and then up to variable plus is okay. Now let's open the terminal in order to compile and run our Java program. Let's check the folder. Okay, go inside the Fibonacci folder, and then let's type Java C Fibonacci series.java. Good, and then run it. Java Fibonacci series. Good. So the Fibonacci series up to 30 is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 8, 5, 8, 13, 21. So for example, 21 is the sum of 8 plus 13. Very good. We can also change here to 100, for example. And again, let's compile. Let's run it. Good. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video about Core Java Program. Bye.